Maker. You took over my radio out there, man. Hello, Noise Maker out there around Philadelphia. Hello out there, Noise Maker 817 Mobile, back cruising out there in Arizona. Bye, bye, bye. Contact. Take it, Noise Maker, sounding good, man. You got a mall down out there in Arizona today. You sounding real good, man. Bumping on you later. Noise Maker 817 out there shooting over this big old mountain. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, Noise Maker, that Trinitron 9 keyed up out there. He says stop making so much noise in Coney Island, man. Hey, Noise Maker, that Trinitron 9 keyed up out there. He said stop making so much noise in Coney Island. I rode the 5. Bye, bye, bye. Contact, Noise Maker. What are you doing there, man? You and Trinitron 9 sounding like stereo out there, man. You coming out of Philadelphia and he coming out of Coney Island, and you guys sounding real good. Bye, bye, bye.
Thanks for keeping my 5 alive. Take care, 17 and only good time. Yeah, I'm about to pull the plug. I'm about to go back to the spiritual refrigerator, the spiritual kitchen, and get another piece of spiritual bread. I'll get back with y'all. Trinitron 9. So bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye. I see you now. Where you at, 815?
Audio check. I can't make out what you said. But I did hear you getting that. 281 is around the ghetto. Little rascal around the ghetto.
Man, that little rascal got big numbers out there, man. Little rascal got some big numbers out there. Tell 281 I said good morning, Little Rascal 817 Mobile Gun. Right there, Trinitron. You said I got big numbers in Coney Island. Hey, Trinitron, you said I got big numbers in Coney Island. You doing the same too, man. You got big numbers today. Take it, Trinitron 9. Work, Mother Nature. Work, Mother Nature. Bye, bye, bye.
Some big numbers too, 817 on Bushman.
Big numbers too, Bush. Hey, Bushman, you got some big numbers out there, man. Hey, Bushman, you got some big numbers out there, 817 breaker.
Hey, right here, right back 817, man. You doing the whole worldwide, man. 817, you definitely go worldwide. You talking in all them 48 states. 817, I want to see your tax bill because you own land in all them 48 states, no doubt about it. 817, you're doing a thing in the Keystone, I got down.
Contact, yeah, you bouncing right off this lake out there, man. You bouncing right off this lake out there, man, and you got big numbers out there, no doubt about it. We'll bump it on you later out there. Worldwide Bushman, why you want to see some tax papers? Put on you later, Bushman 817 Mobile Gun.
814, 817, I guess to get real estate. All I hear is 817, 817. Continue doing the thing, 817. 817, old Bushman and the Keystone say bye.
Bye, Bush. All I hear is you too, man. When you got Mother Nature, man, it's good to hear you in my radio, man. You make it real easy on my ears. Put on your later, Bushman. I'm in the clear.
Hey, 4